we'll guide you through how to make grunge background in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening your Adobe Illustrator application and preparing a new workspace for the project. Click on New File to open the preset adjustment options. Then choose the WebLarge preset size for your artboard so you have a suitable canvas for creating a digital grunge background. After selecting the preset, click Create to open the artboard and make it ready for design work. Before you start drawing, set up your brush style. Open the Windows menu on the menu bar and look through the available options. From the list, find and open the brush library. Inside the brush library, choose the vector brush category and then select a grunge brush. A pop-up window will appear and display a collection of grunge pattern selections that you can use in your artwork. Review the available options and pick one of the grunge styles that best matches the effect you want to create. Once you have selected a brush, adjust its size according to your desired design and the scale of the texture you want to achieve. With the brush prepared, begin drawing directly on your artboard. Create strokes, shapes, and textured elements that form the foundation of your grunge background. To make the design more interesting, use another brush style to add extra detail and variation. Continue refining the artwork and take your time to design carefully, making adjustments whenever needed. As the composition develops, combine another brush style with your existing strokes to build a richer and more convincing grunge effect. Layering different brushes can help create depth, texture, and visual interest throughout the background. When you are satisfied with the overall design and all details have been completed, open the View menu from the menu bar. From the available options, choose Trim View to display the artwork without the extra workspace around it.